To move on, I'd like to request.
She did nothing.
Okay. So, can I have what is it? Motion?
Is there anybody on any board member who wants to make a motion to renew Ms. DeCosta's employment contract for the 2015-16 school year?
Raise your hands. Come on, people.
Recall the board.
How could you represent us?
Really?
Well,
How's it going to go next year when she can't even look at us?
She doesn't look at us. She doesn't talk to us. Look at her. With that puss on her face.
You think this is really easy for me? You know, I have sat here, I've seen your Facebook page. You have said things about my family, about me.
About your family? I didn't say a thing about your family.
I have been hired here to do what I think
You're a liar. Just like you lied to me when I sat in your office. Ask her about the flat screen TV in her office and who pays for that. And who pays for the
Can I
cable.
just please that's my TV that I brought in. It's not even smart cable.
Liars lie. Liars lie. Recall the board! Ruth must go! Ruth must go!
So,
Well, you're a board member and it's embarrassing, so you shouldn't be passing them. Well, that's even worse.
so you guys, you called for a motion. There's no motion.
You are not anything to this board.
So at this point, the non-renewal, the superintendent's non-renewal stands. Effective June 30th, 2015. So is there a motion to adjourn?
Embarrassing.
are we going to closed session? We have a closed session? Okay. So we're going to adjourn the closed session. Let me read the resolution. The following resolution for closed session be approved.